Okay, class. So today we're going to learn about the judicial branch and what it takes to be a judge. We will be doing a worksheet on what it takes to be a judge. So, first, we're going to look at the essential question. What does it take to be a judge? Now, while you're watching this, you should be doing this worksheet that goes with it. So, make sure that you have the slideshow video right next to your worksheet. The worksheet looks like this. Okay? So here, the question is, what does it take to be a judge? Go ahead and write down your ideas here. You don't have to write anything down from the class list because we don't have examples right now from the class. So you can leave the class list blank. Just write your ideas on what it takes to be a judge. Okay? Next, we're going to look at the U.S. Constitution. Here in Article 3, it talks about the judicial power of the United States. So it says the judicial power of the United States shall be vested in one Supreme Court and in such inferior courts as the Congress may from time to time ordain and establish. The judges, both of the Supreme and inferior courts, shall hold their offices during good behavior and shall, at stated times, receive for their services a compensation which shall not be diminished during their continuance in office. So then you're going to go back to your sheet and you're going to write down what the U.S. Constitution says about the judicial branch of government. And then you're going to take all that language and put it in your own words. So you just list bullet points of what it actually says, and then you're going to list bullet points of what that means. So it says, it shall be vested in one Supreme Court and in such inferior courts. So what does that mean? It means that there is going to be power in both the Supreme Court and in other smaller courts, which we'll learn about. All right, take some time to go ahead and finish that column. Then finally, you're going to go through and you're going to read excerpts from 3 state constitutions. Those state constitutions will be posted for you. The Texas State Constitution, California, Delaware. Okay? And you're going to have those states listed up here, and you write what each state constitution says. Then you write down what each means after reading it. Okay? And of course, you'll be able to see this in a format on Schoology. Okay? And then finally, you're going to create a thesis statement. The thesis statement is your statement saying this is what it takes to be a judge. So based off of reading all of the state constitutions and after you've read what the United States Constitution says, you're going to summarize what it takes to be a judge in a statement. So you can actually use personal pronouns if you desire. So you can say, I believe that this is what it takes to be a judge, and then go ahead and list that for your thesis statement. Use some evidence from each constitution. You can just put it in a bullet point format, and then you're going to write down any questions that you have about what it takes to be a judge. And that's it. So let me know if you have some questions, and we will go from there. All right. That's it, guys. Miss you very much. Have a wonderful day.